Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you how to render composition in After Effects and my render settings for high quality edits. This is my composition settings. I mostly use this for TikTok and Instagram edits. I use 30 frames per second, but you can use 60 frames per second also. Set resolution on full. You can change resolution from here too. Now go to composition and select Add to render queue. You can use shortcut key Ctrl+M for this. These are my render settings. Pause and copy this. It almost same as default. Now for the output module, always select H264. If this option is not available in your After Effects, then select QuickTime. Now go and select Paths, where you want to quit your video after export, and simply click on Render. Thank you so much for your love and likes and unconditional love. Watch other videos to become a pro in After Effects. Till then, see ya. Thanks for watching.